is Gopi and I am from Plsql Engineering College in the stream of ECE, and I have graduated in the year 2023, and I joined Qspiders as an incubation student. As I am from non-IT background, I have zero coding skills and programming skills too. And as I joined Qspiders here, the trainers taught me how to learn the different languages like Java. Then not only they taken about coding part, they have an extra classes for having the presentation classes in order to give the confidence to the students to present the topics, and they have understand the mock interviews to help the students to prepare in the interviews. And I am very thankful to the Qspiders for making me to placed in a software company as a software developer. Thanking you.